Come test drive the 2019 Camaro. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, heated steering wheel, heads-up display, security system. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.